With success comes admiration from many, but hatred from even more. Why is that? Because your success highlights what others fail to do. While you were grinding in silence, putting in thousands of hours when no one was watching, they were resting. So when their shot came, they weren't ready. They froze and watched their moment pass, hoping another would come. But who knows if it ever will? So what do you do about the haters? Those whispering behind your back, trying to pull you down. Simple. Ignore them. Outwork them. Use their negativity as fuel. Block them out. Don't kill them with kindness. Crush them with your success. Let the world's resistance energize you. Wake up and take action. You've got 24 hours every day. What you do with them will define who you become. Separate yourself, because most people, they just talk. You don't become number one by doing the bare minimum. You need a level of obsession no one else is willing to commit to. If they leave at 6, you stay till 8. They make 100 calls, you make 200. They study 3 hours, you go for 5. They read 2 books, you read 4. Do more. You're battling average, a culture of laziness. When you rise above, expect resistance. It's normal. You still have 80% inside you that you haven't even touched. Why? Because that part lives in pain, in failure, in discomfort. But beyond that, there's light. You want your dream? Then let go of excuses. Go all in. You're not there yet because you haven't truly committed. Effort means nothing at 70 or 80%. Give 120. Because you're counting on you. Your family's counting on you. You don't have time to waste. You want the reward without paying the price others have paid in sweat, blood, and tears. That's not how this works. When I give 120%, no one can stop me. You can't be good and be a legend. You can't even be great. You have to be phenomenal. Push for legend status. Your issue? You only perform when things are perfect. But greatness demands resilience when things are messy. The greats? They find a way. The hard life is the one that delivers. Stop being soft. Be a morning person, an afternoon person, a night person. Be an I'm sick but still grinding person. Can you give me 120% despite everything? Greatness is already inside you. But the truth is, you're waiting for someone to push you. You need rewards, validation. That's weakness. Beast mode is mandatory. You don't stop when you're tired. You stop when you're done, when you've executed, when you've delivered. Knowing isn't enough. You must apply. Wishing isn't enough. You must do. Every single day, if you do what you say you will, you'll get what you dream of. You have to compete every single time with effort, with pride. Your urgency will define your outcome. Each level of hustle demands more of you. You have to grow. Think bigger, act smarter, push harder, study more, educate yourself, transform yourself. It's easy to stay at the bottom. No effort required. But to rise, that takes everything you've got. Harness your will. Challenge yourself. Push harder. Give more. Try again. Keep going. Keep learning. Keep creating. Keep training. Keep fighting. This is your life. You're the captain of your ship. You can have it. You can do it. You can be it. Make a list. Crush that list every single day for the next 10 years, and you'll be where you want to be. Guaranteed.